Dear student, please remain silent, don't talk each other. Listen to me. Today, I will one questions from tens. Any students who talk in 72 times. Are you ready, in a student? Raise your hand. Only one student. You can talk.
I can.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Clapping. Thanks. Now come near the board. Yet first, tell me about yourself.
I am Rajnandini Kumari. I am from Patna. I am studying at Standard Senior Modern Public School, Patna Gaon, grade 8.
चलिए थैंक यू. और क्वेश्चन इज मैं अंग्रेजी बोलता हूँ. दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू टॉक 72 टाइम्स. ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट.
I speak English. I am speaking English. I have spoken English. I have been speaking English. I spoke English. I was speaking English. I had spoken English. I had been speaking English. I shall speak English. I shall be speaking English. I shall have spoken English. I shall have been speaking English.
Again you have to talk in 6 terms, one by one. It first start simple present tense.
I speak English. I don't speak English. Do I speak English? Don't I speak English? Why do I speak English? Why don't I speak English? I am speaking English. I aren't speaking English. Am I speak English? Aren't I speaking English? Why am I speaking English? Why aren't I speaking English? I have spoken English. I have not spoken English. Have I spoken English? Have I not spoken English? Why have I spoken English? Why haven't I spoken English? I have been speaking English. I haven't I speaking English? Have I speaking English?
Have I been?
Have I been speaking English? Why have I been speaking English? Why haven't I been speaking English?
And now past tense.
I spoke English. I didn't speak English. Did I speak English? Didn't I speak English? Why did I speak English? Why didn't I speak English? I was speaking English. I wasn't speaking English. Was I speaking English? Wasn't I speaking English? Why was I speaking English? Why wasn't I speaking English? I had spoken English. I hadn't spoken English. Had I spoken English? Hadn't I spoken English? Why had I spoken English? Why hadn't I spoken English? I had been speaking English. I hadn't been speaking English. Had I been speaking English? Hadn't I speak English? Why had I been speaking English? Why hadn't I been speaking English?
Now future.
I shall speak English. I shan't speak English. Shall I speak English? Shan't I speak English? Why shall I speak English? Why shan't I speak English? I shall be speaking English. I shan't be speaking English. Shall I be speaking English? Speaking English. Shan't I be speaking English? Why shall I be speaking English? Why shan't I be speaking English? Why shall have spoken English? Why shan't I? Well, I shan't have spoken English. Shall I have been?
Shall I have been?
Shall I have been spoken English?
Speaking English.
Shan't I been speaking English? Why shall I have been speaking English? Why shan't I have been?
Thanks everyone. Clapping. talk. You know, this question you talk 84 times. At first you talk as narrative sentence 12 times. Again you repeat 6 times. Thanks all of you. Have a nice day today. Like this, next student try to talk. I will get chance next day. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thanks. Have a nice day. Have a pleasant day.